How important is it to address the jerking issue as soon as possible?
Hello everyone. Today we're discussing a common, yet often overlooked issue in many mechanical systems, the jerking problem. This can occur in various contexts, like in vehicles, industrial machinery, or even electronics. Addressing jerking issues promptly is vital for numerous reasons, which we'll explore throughout this video.
What is a jerking issue?
Firstly, let's understand what a jerking issue is. Jerking refers to the abrupt, unintended, and often rhythmic motion of a mechanical system. You may have experienced it as sudden jolts in your car or unexpected movements in industrial machinery. It's often indicative of a deeper problem that shouldn't be ignored.
Why should we address the jerking issue immediately?
Jerking issues could lead to several complications if not addressed promptly. 1. Damage to components. Frequent, irregular movements can cause significant wear and tear, potentially damaging integral parts of your system over time. 2. Safety risks. For vehicles or heavy machinery, jerking could compromise control, posing severe safety risks to operators and bystanders. 3. Compromised performance. Jerking can affect the overall performance and efficiency of the system, leading to suboptimal results and increased energy consumption. Therefore, it's paramount that we address these jerking issues as soon as they're detected to prevent further complications.
What happens if we delay addressing the jerking issue?
Ignoring or delaying the resolution of a jerking issue can result in serious repercussions. 1. Increased repair costs. The longer the issue persists, the more damage it can cause, leading to more expensive repairs or even system replacements in extreme cases. 2. Potential harm. For machines that humans frequently interact with, unresolved jerking issues can escalate into accidents, causing harm or injury. In conclusion, addressing jerking issues promptly is not only beneficial but essential for the longevity and safety of your mechanical systems. If you notice such an issue, don't delay. Get it checked out and resolved immediately. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you maintain your mechanical systems more effectively.